Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the top 5 must-have AI tools for 2024 that will skyrocket your productivity and creativity. These tools are game changers, so let's get started. First up, Jasper AI. Jasper AI is like having a personal writing assistant right at your fingertips. Whether you're drafting emails, creating blog posts, or just jotting down ideas, Jasper AI uses advanced language models to help you write faster and better. It's perfect for anyone who wants to save time on writing tasks and focus more on the big picture. Next on the list is Notion AI. Notion AI takes the already powerful Notion platform and ramps it up with AI-driven features. Imagine being able to automate your workflows, get smart suggestions for organizing your projects, and even have the AI summarize your notes. It's a fantastic tool for anyone looking to streamline their productivity and keep everything in one place. Moving on to Runway ML. This tool is a dream for creatives. Runway ML offers a suite of AI tools that make content creation a breeze. From real-time video editing to generating high-quality visuals with just a few clicks, Runway ML empowers you to turn your creative visions into reality. It's a must-have for anyone in the digital art or content creation space. Now let's talk about Synthesia. Synthesia is changing the game when it comes to video content. This AI tool allows you to create professional-grade videos with AI avatars. You can customize everything from the script to the appearance of the avatars, making it incredibly versatile for marketing, training, and educational content. It's like having a virtual production studio at your disposal. Last but not least, Grammarly with its AI writing assistant. Grammarly has been a staple for anyone looking to improve their writing, and their AI features take it to a new level. The AI not only checks for grammar and spelling, but also provides style suggestions, tone adjustments, and even helps with clarity. It's an indispensable tool for anyone who writes regularly, whether for work or personal projects. So there you have it, the top 5 AI tools you need to know in 2024 to boost your productivity and creativity. Jasper AI, Notion AI, Runway ML, Synthesia, and Grammarly. These tools are set to revolutionize the way you work and create. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.